All right, I got all the bait traps pulled this morning. About to go load up some fishing equipment and the lawnmower and get ready to head over to the lake. The FFA kids are coming this afternoon and we'll be fishing. I lost count on the baits, so if somebody wants to add up the baits and comment below how many baits I put in there, that'd be awesome. Got to get our mascot out here on the fence so people know where to turn in for the fishing day. Well, here's the setup. I got the fishing tank and buckets and worms and net and everything in there. Then I got the utility trailer that I own here. This is the good side of it. And then we got all the stuff in here. Mooney's come to help me and Steven's on the way. And we got the rods and reels and the mower because we hadn't had a chance to get over here and mow since the last fishing day. So I'm going to jump on there and try and at least cut a trail down through there. I don't know what a grass allergy looks like. This is it. Everywhere that grass touches me, it breaks out. Man, but it's worth it. We got it all cleaned up out there and students are starting to show up to fish. Emory's got the first fish of the day over there. She's taking her a picture with it and she's about to throw it back, I guess. How much you think it weighs? Maybe a pound? Just put him in that bucket and I'll come weigh him, Emory. Well, I don't know how accurate this scale is. It said that fish weighs 0.11 of a pound. Thought he might be a little bigger than that. All right, well, we'll go with this scale and track them from there.
Running around like a spring chicken on my head cut off. Ain't too fun.
Y'all getting any bites over here?
Well, I got one bite.
I saw one. Actually, he's still there. You see him swimming around right there?
Yep, they're here. They done both caught one down on the dam. Emory and Michael.
What was it? Was it
just bass, largemouth. Crappie ought to be hitting here later today. So we got some new scales in today from Amazon. Anyway, got a couple different kinds we're going to try out today. I mean, we're having a fishing contest, so we got to be able to weigh them. I'm not so sure this first one I weighed was accurate, but we'll see how they do today. Okay, so this cheaper one is not waterproof looking, just looking at the back, but that'll be all right. It was like $8. So this piece of green chain on the ground is where I'm marking where I dropped the screw out of the waterproof one. My daughter's coming by and going to drop me off a magnet in a little bit to recover that screw, so that's the way it goes. So we're going to check this out. I've got two of those GoPro mounts that are just like this, and I'm going to check this one out and see how it works. It's a different brand I actually couldn't find the GoPro ones I wanted on YouTube, but this one kept coming up, so we're gonna try it out. Michael's got him a bass there. That's nice. What'd you catch him on?
These little strobe minnows. I'm going to buy more. They've already torn up 6 of them today.
Oh wow!
Broke them to pieces. So, and they're hooking at the top of the mouth. They're trying to swallow them. Get it out. Yeah, these things are good. That was good.
Nice. All right. Bait's looking good. Here, Colton, put that in the red bucket. All right, that'll get her by for a little bit. I'm gonna hook this snake up and see if I can catch something on it. No, he was in the minnow traps this morning.
Fish.
Okay, I'm re-hooking him.
That's a real snake?
Yeah, that's a real snake.
Huh? You just sling that back around here? Don't tell me that.
That was a terrible cast.
Like what?
Emory, you want some more minnows? All right, I'll get you some. Steven, you need the net?
To be determined. Whew, he's a good size, ain't he?
No,
Man, that ain't bad at all.
little channel. You got another bucket? There should be a white bucket or a gray bucket up there. Just dump them over in your bucket. Oh, okay. All right. Uh-oh. All right, let's see him. Oh yeah, he ate that thing. All right, pretty nice. We'll weigh him just to see what he's at. Emory's caught a couple, so I think she's at 0.35 though, so
Yeah, this one's probably not that
I
much.
don't have anything big yet today. Oh, should have turned that on first.
Is the camera off now?
Oh yeah, you can. Okay. Well, you clamp that back together for me. Just squeeze the bottom.
Squeeze the bottom?
Squeeze the bottom, yeah. There you go. So it says he is 0.7 a pound. Or no, 7 ounces, I guess what he is. Okay. All right, we're going to get him back in there.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
We should catch some over a pound today, though. Maybe 2 or 3. There's some big fish in here, so see what we get. Oh, next time you got to back up and hold him up for that camera.
Yes.
All right, get back to it. All right, Bronson, what you gonna catch?
Big worm.
Oh, okay, I'll get him. I'll bring him over here.
Awesome. Thank you, brother. That's what mine's for.
Uh-oh, what'd you get? All right, I got some pliers in here. Steven, you think you can get it out with this? Or you need a longer nose? Oh, here's it's going. That fish. I see a good sized bass coming this way. You see that bass, Steven? To your left just a little bit and going back. He's crossing to the left. I put him back in the rod holder, Emory, and let's see if it picks it up again. I bet that was a catfish. Yeah, something picked up that snake. Yeah, there's a couple of good bass swimming back and forth right now. Still on there? Reel down on him and yank it. Reel down on him. Pull it. Let's see if he's still on there. Feel like you got a fish? All right. Oh, you got a grass monster. All right, well, put it back over there and see if they'll pick it up. You're handing me, I really.
I gotta tie another hook on my foot.
Oh yeah, I got people over there. I gotta go get worms too. They're under my arm. Oh, Steven's on a fish.
Steven's been working on that one for me.
Oh yeah. A little snake. I think it's a banded water snake, isn't it?
It might be. Yeah.
Got him out of the minnow traps this morning.
Oh, that makes sense.
Let's see if I can get back over there. Well, that's not quite as far left, but it'll be all right. Okay. All right, Steven's fish is going back. Tori has got a fish. A bluegill.
A little extra. Oh!
Wanted to give you your appetizer first.
Give that back.
There it goes. All right. Okay, Bronson, you're ready. Another bluegill. Well, you got some big old hooks on here. Got a bass or a catfish? I mean, as soon as it hit the water, it was gone. He saw it coming. There goes the snake. They getting hungry. They probably spawned out and starting to feed. Oh, he's missing that fin. I was looking for it. It's just gone. I was trying to figure out where I was going to put my hand, and I was like, wait, he ain't got one. All right, there he goes.
Harry still got that thing stuck.
You got the camera on?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know why he has all 4 of these hooks on there. It's gonna make me mad. Oh my gosh, can you get that, please?
Oh, wow. Okay, when you put a fish in the bucket, don't put the net in there with him.
Yeah. Lesson to learn.
All right, that's out. Yeah, now this is where you get hurt. If you don't hold him good and he shakes his head hard, it'll stick that in your hand. I didn't bring the pliers down here with me, but I'm gonna go back and get a pair in a minute. I should be able to get this out without the pliers. Okay, that's out. There's your fish. I don't think he's bigger than the last one, but I'll weigh him anyway. Yeah, Jesse's not here today to be the weigh man, so
I know.
we gotta act like I know what I'm doing.
Did you get your thing stuck in the tree? No. Oh.
I'm hoping we get on some good sized fish today.
Yes.
The last one we had was like maybe 3 pounds.
Yeah,
Before
I
we got done?
Jason got it.
No, I don't know if that's right or not. I don't think it is.
0.4.
No, let's try it again. There you go. 0.38.
0.38.
All right. I'm gonna leave this scale down here. That way I won't have to remember to bring it every time. I'm just gonna turn it off.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.